Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Monday, April 27, and I have a story to read to you today. It is called 10 Little Rubber Ducks. Clunkety, cluckety, cluck goes the rubber duck machine. Out pops 10 little yellow rubber ducks, one after the other. The little rubber ducks are painted, bills red, eyes yellow. Then they are packed, 10 in a box, and off they go to be loaded onto a cargo ship. Hello, says the captain. The captain and his cargo ship are taking the little rubber ducks across the wide sea to faraway countries. Suddenly, a storm turns the water into big waves. A strong wind blows across the sea. A big wave lifts up one of the boxes and throws it into the water. The box opens and 10 little rubber ducks fall out. Ah, 10 rubber ducks overboard, shouts the captain. After some time, the storm calms down. The 10 little rubber ducks bob in the big wide sea. As far as one can see, only water and sky. The 10 little rubber ducks begin to drift apart. The first little rubber duck drifts west. A dolphin jumps over it. The second little rubber duck drifts east. A seal barks at it. The third little rubber duck drifts north. A polar bear growls at it. The fourth little rubber duck drifts south. A flamingo stares at it. The fifth little rubber duck drifts to the left. A pelican chatters at it. The sixth little rubber duck drifts to the right. A turtle glides past it. The seventh little rubber duck drifts up. An octopus blinks at it. The eighth little rubber duck drifts down. A seagull screeches at it. The ninth little rubber duck drifts this way. A whale sings to it. The 10th little rubber duck drifts that way, bobbing and floating on the big wide sea. The sun is setting. It is getting dark. As far as one can see, only water and sky. The next morning, the 10th little rubber duck meets a mother duck and her ducklings. Quack, says the mother duck. Quack, 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 say the ducklings. At the end of the day, the sun sets again. It is getting dark. The mother duck and her ducklings swim toward their nest. The little rubber duck floats along with them. Good night, says the moon. Quack, says the mother duck. Quack, 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 says the duckling. Quack, says the little rubber duck. And that is the end. Boys and girls, I chose this book because the ducks are yellow. And yellow starts with our letter for this week. Letter Y. There's uppercase Y and lowercase y. And today you're going to color the yolk of an egg. And you're going to practice writing uppercase Y and lowercase y. If you finish that and you want to do something more, you can turn it over and you can draw a picture of another Y word, you. You can draw a picture of yourself, your eyes, your nose, your mouth, give yourself some hair. That would be a great thing to do if you would like to do something more. And if you're still wanting to do something more, this is to practice your scissors skills. If you would like to, and mom and dad say yes, you can take your scissors and you can cut along this line here. And then there's some more pages if you want to keep going. Boys and girls, can we say our Bible verse together for the month of April? For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish, but have eternal life. Have a good day, friends.